Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how I make a delicious keto vegetable mixture that I simply saute, and it's easy and quick to make. These are the ingredients: 1 cup of mushrooms, half a cup of spinach, 1/3 of a cup of feta cheese, 1/4 of a cup of onions, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and salt to taste. I have my pan preheated and I just put in the butter, and now I'm going to add the coconut oil. I'm going to let that melt a bit. The pan is on medium heat. Once the butter and coconut oil are melted, I'm going to add the onions. I'm going to put the heat up to about number 7, so it's about medium-high. After 2 minutes on medium-high, this is what the onions look like. And now I'm ready to add the mushrooms. You want to make sure to mix this as it's cooking so that nothing sticks and nothing burns. After about 4 minutes of cooking on medium-high, I'm going to add the spinach. And I'm using frozen spinach. I'm going to mix that in. This has been cooking for about 3 minutes. And now I'm going to add the feta cheese. You can use any soft white cheese that you like. I'm also going to add the nutritional yeast. I love nutritional yeast and I think it gives it a really great flavor. But if you don't like it, you can omit it. However, it does have a great nutritional benefit. The garlic powder, salt to taste. I forgot to mention this, but I do also like to add some black pepper. Give that a good mix. Turn the heat off, and the sauteed veggie mixture is finished. Here it is served on a plate. As you were able to see, this was very easy to make and it's very delicious. Thank you all so much for watching, and if you'd like to see more videos, please subscribe.